then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch, then pass it to my mans.
Pick a bitch up in the van, hit her in the van, and I pass her to my mans. You can fuck us all, cause we all got bands. When it comes to these hoes, I don't ever spin pros. Get the hair from her, then I throw her to my bros. Them niggas bum me cause they all sharing clothes. A lot of hate when we poppin' rolls in the club. All the hoes dick sucking, tryna give us hugs. We all real thugs. Y'all throwing ones while we throwing dubs. I hit a bitch in the Magnum on dubs. Go ahead and suck a nigga dick. I already hit, so I don't really care to fuck. Yo, BF acting tough, he don't know the 40 tuck. I'm always on that tip, I've been waiting to bust. Hoes never trust us cause we always switching up. My whole team hit her, we don't really give a fuck. Now I'm back to the cheese, call a bitch up, she giving head on her knees. Give me a kiss, hell no bitch please. But one thing you can do is roll the trees. But please don't forget you can't hit my weed. Now I got a new bitch about to have sex. When I'm done, Jay and Wine got next. And if Dari and Dame tryna hit, don't stress. And when you get to my nigga Mo, make sure to push fresh.
Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans.
If a nigga play tough, I'ma fuck his main hoe. She choose me cause I ball. Rondo. Drop the tough act cause we'll let them nines go. Niggas that gon' foul 2 shots, let them choppers blow.
Bow! Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans. Hit a bitch and pass it to my mans.
Tough hoes we don't do, run hoes we got to. Gotta move in like Busto, tryna find me like Kestos. As I hit it, bitch, that's a bus hoe. Now I'm on to the next hoe, them choppers say let's go. I don't front shit, bro. Yo, 40 on my hip, cause niggas wanna bust more. Hoes on my dick, cause they all wanna fuck more. Got me on skates and I ride like fuck hoe.
Buffs on my face, all white, no plates. Buffies on my face, all white, no plates.
I fuck that bitch and pass it to my mans. All white, buzz, thick, bitch in 3 bands. Niggas keep purple, I leave that shit for the lames. Meg did the denim, Cartier did the frames. On the road with Mo, about to scoop up Dame. I fuck Coach Lever, don't even tell that bitch my name. Pull out the woo cause it's the motherfucking season. I dog hoes every day for no fucking reason. 40 to your head, how you little niggas pleasing. Coppin' hoe balls, blowing stacks every weekend.
Beat your fucking face, I ain't stopping till you leaking, bitch.